Ssc Chsl paper number 94, question numbers 26 onwards. 26 reasoning. In a row of 30 girls. What is the information we have? Row of 30 girls were there. Shravani was shifted to her left by 6 places. Her number from the left hand of the row becomes 8th, isn't it? In a row of 30, if Shravani is shifted to her left by 6 places, then she will be 8th. And if she was not shifted, she will be 14th from the left. And they get the 14th from the left. What will be the number of Uma from the right end of the row? Uma was 4 places to the right of Shravani's original position. Original position Shravani is 14. 14 plus 4, Uma is 18th. Now 18th position is Uma. From where? From the left hand side. Now the question is about what will be Uma's from the right hand side. Uma from the left hand side, A is 18. And what is the total? C is 30. Now B is how much? 30 minus 18 plus 1. Isn't 12 plus 1, 13, choice 2. Now, the 13? Then coming to 27. The ages of 3 persons, consecutive, respectively in the consecutive order. My consecutive order is ABC, and in the consecutive order, that is 42. Isn't it? 42 means 42. As they are consecutive, 42 divided by 3, 14. And 14 is the average here. Then what are the ages? 13 is 1, 14 is 1, 15 is the other. Then these are consecutive. And what will be the age of B? A, B and C, B's age is how much? 14. That is choice 2, 27. Then 28. Now wrestling, Manoj Kumar, and he is a wrestling player. And in the same way, table tennis. Now who is table tennis player here? Indian table tennis player, that is Arup Bashak. And 29th one, all these structures are factories. Now these are the structures that are factories, and some factories are mott, and no restaurant is a mott, no intersection between restaurant and a mott. And some motts are structures, mott and a structure, that is false. And some restaurants or structure is a false. Some restaurant or structures is a possible. Now possibility is a chance on the some restaurants or structures. Possible. And next one, no restaurant is a factory as of now it is true. It falls under some restaurant or factories. Hence, what is your answer? Alternate diagram to previous conclusion, false. And so only 2. Only 2, that is given in choice 3. Then only 2. Choice 3 or choice 4? Choice 4, sorry. Choice 4. Then coming to question number 30. Now in this 30th, the question is about what? Question number 30. Now in this question number 30, now the next figure in this. Now the next figure, this is one line, and which is in parallel. Next one, vertical 2 lines. Then that means in all this figure is rotated by 45 degrees, 90 degrees in the clockwise. Next 4 lines, then 5 lines must be like this. And 5 lines, that is choice to question number 30. Then 31st. Question number 31st. Macheshara 31. Then tell me how many elements are there altogether? 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? Because it started with C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now C and D are the first 2 letters. C, D, F, M, R. Now C, D, F, M, R. And C, D, F, M, R. Now C, D, F, M, R. Onagada ikkada H ochindi. Ikkada H, ikkada I. Ikkada em undali cheppandi? G. C, D, G, M, R. Isn't it? Hence M, R. Saripotunda? Middle letter is increased by 1. F, G, H, I, J. And the remaining C, D, M, R is common. Hence, what is the term that is missed out? D, G, M, I. D, G, M, I, choice 3, question number 31. Then 32, arrange the following cricket equipments in a logical and a sequential meaningful order. Now first, helmet from top to bottom. Then it is chest guard. And next one is thigh guard. And next to thigh guard is and shin pad. And finally it is shoes. And so choice 2 is the order from top to bottom of a cricket player. Then next coming to question number 33, furniture. Now the correct mirror image to this word furniture. Now furniture ki mirror image cheptara. Now the mirror image to the word furniture, F from the right hand side. F, U, R, N. Now here N is same, that is ruled out. Next here F. U, must be at the second place rule. F-U-R-N-I-T-U. U ikkada undali. R and U, that is ruled out. And so what is your answer here? Choice for F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E. Choice for 33. Then coming to question number 34. Now in this 34, 64 star and so on, and select the correct combination of mathematical signs. Then coming to choice 1, plus, division, and into, minus, equal to. Now 42 divided by 14, how much is that? 3. 64 plus 3 into 23, 69, minus 56. 69 minus 56, ఎంత ఉంటుంది చెప్పండి? 13. 64 plus 13, 77. That is choice 1, 34. Then in this 35, there are some 6 persons and they are of different weights. These 6 persons are being compared in their weight. Then coming to first one. And SC is heavier than only 2 people and lighter than the remaining 3. And T is heavier than only U. T is heavier than only 1 person, that is U, and he is lighter than the remaining. R's weight is lighter than only Q's weight. And R is lighter than only Q and he is heavier than the remaining. Then who is the person left over here? P must be the third. The third heaviest person, P, is 140 kgs. And that of the fifth heaviest person is 60 kgs. Then what will the possible weight of S? S is in between 60 and 140. Between 60 and 140, 70, that is choice 2, 35. Then 36th one, Gautami walks 40 kilometers north. A is the starting point. From here, this Gautami walks how many kilometers? 40 kilometers north. Then takes right hand and walks 50 meters. Then she again takes left hand and walks 60 meters. And finally, she turns left and walks 20 meters. And which direction is she now with respect to the initial point? Now A is the starting point and B is the final point. Now B is in which direction with respect to A? North and east to northeast. Northeast, that is choice 2, question number 36. Then in this 37, the sequence of folding of a paper and the mirror and the manner in which the paper is folded is given, isn't it? Then the manner in which the paper is folded is given. It's mirror image. And what is the mirror image to this one? Mirror image must be like this. And again, this is one more line. Now here, this must be one more. And from here to here, water image. Water image to this one, again, this will be formed. Now, ikkada manakunnadi E square. E square maliki ikkada ravali kada square. And again, these two triangles must be reversed. Then what is your answer in this case? My choice cheppan? Choice 3. Choice 3 is the answer. Okay. Then 38. Now in this 38, there are some 8 students, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W. And there are 8 persons and seated around a square table. 8 persons seated around a square table. And 4 of them sit at corners while 4 in the middle. 4 corners and 4 middle. 4 at the corners and 4 at the middle of the sides. And middle of the sides. And W is sitting in between U and S. P is thought to the left of S. W is in between whom? W is in between P and S. U and S, P is thought, V is sitting between S is thought to the left of T. Now here, definite information is not given whether W is between at the center or at the corner. Then W is here, then W can be here like this. Now it doesn't matter at all W or else you can work out this one in a sector arrangement because the 4 at the corners are facing one direction, isn't it? Then W is sitting in between U and S. W ikkada URS, URS will be here. And again, and URS and URS will be here. And P is sitting out to the left of S. Now if SC is here, 1, 2, 3, P will be here. Then U will be here. And then, case if SC is here, U will be here, 1, 2, 3, P will be here. P is out to the left of S. V is in between P and Q. Now V is in between P and Q. No. V is in between P and Q. And P is sitting out to the left of S. V is between SC is sitting out to the left of T. SC is out to the left of T, T is here. Now SC is out to the left of T, T is here. Now T is here. V is between P and Q. Now V is between P and Q. Now V is between P and Q. V is here between P and Q. Then one more person is left over. Then S is thought to, who is sitting in between P and P ki T ki madhya everyone chepani. Who is the person left over? R. R is the person left over in both the cases. సరిపోతుందా లేదా? Hence, what is your answer? R is the answer. Hence, మనకి ఇక్కడ కార్నర్స్ సెంటర్స్ డైరెక్షన్ ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ ఒకటే పాజిబిలిటీతో మొదలు పెట్టచ్చు. అందుకే రెండు పాజిబిలిటీస్ యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద సేమ్ ఆన్సర్. Okay, the position is not at all matters here. Then coming to the question number 39. Now in this 39, it is based on blood relations. Now in all the cases, he is talking from P to Q only. And A star. Star stands for A is the sister of B. A is the sister of B and B plus. B is the father of C and C minus. And C is the mother of D. Then how is B related to D? D is mother's father. Mother's father is grandfather. Grandfather and maternal grandfather choice for 39. Then coming to question number 40, now we need to identify the figure that is embedded into this. Embedded figure. Figure that is embedded. Cheppanడి, what is your answer in this case? Chesara leda? Choice 3. Now in this one, without rotation, first priority should always be for without rotation edundo first priority at this call. Though it is not given. Ikkada manaki without rotation is it possible at this place? Ikkada kuda manaki e line. This is the line we are having. And it is not a triangle at all. Triangle వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు కదా? Then in this case my triangle ekkada vastundi cheppandi. Now this is the triangle we are talking about. అవునా కదా? And this is as it is. Then answer choice 3, question number 40. Then 41, 14th August 2017, 28th August 2023 అడిగాడు. మా 14th August 2017 ఏ రోజు చెప్పండి? ఫ్రైడే. 14th August 2017 ఫ్రైడే అయింది. ఇక్కడ ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు? 28th August. 28th August ఇది ఇన్ ద సేమ్ ఇయర్ తీసుకుందాం 17లో. ఏమొస్తుంది? 14 నుంచి 28. How many days? 14. 14 means 0 odd days. And 28th August in 2017, ఇది కూడా ఏమైపోయింది? ఫ్రైడే అయిపోయింది. మనకు కావాల్సిన 28th August 2023. 17 to 23. How many years are there? 6 years. ఈ 6 yearsలో ఎన్ని లీప్ ఇయర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? Only one leap year, isn't it? కనుక మనకి 6 plus 1, 7. And 7th day is nothing but again Friday. Friday is the answer choice. మరి సరిపోయిందా? Total number of odd days. 41 rejoiced. Then 42. Now in this 42, and only a few cities are districts. Only some of the cities are districts, but not all. Only some cities, but not all. And few districts are states. Some of the districts are states. Every state is a country. All states are what? Countries. Now this is countries. Now here this is city. And first one, few cities are not states. Some cities are not states. As of now it is true that in some cities are not state centers, and these are the cities which are not states. No city is a state. ఇది ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి? ఆల్ సిటీస్ ఆర్ స్టేట్స్ అని చెప్పాలి. ఆల్ సిటీస్ ఆర్ స్టేట్స్ ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా సిటీస్. నౌ సిటీ అండ్ నౌ దిస్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ సంథింగ్ మస్ట్ బి ఇంటర్సెక్టెడ్. ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఇంటర్సెక్టెడ్. అండ్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ టు ప్రీవియస్ కంక్లూజన్ ఫాల్స్. అండ్ ఆల్ సిటీస్ ఆర్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్ ఈజ్ అ పాల్. సిటీస్ అన్ని డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది అని. మా సిటీస్ అన్ని డిస్ట్రిక్ట్లోకి అవ్వచ్చా? ఇది అవ్వకూడదని చెప్పాం కదా. ఓన్లీ సమ్ సిటీస్ ఆర్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్ బట్ నాట్ ఆల్. Hence, is it possible or not a possibility? Not a possibility. And all countries can never be cities. Countries and neighbors cities కావు అని అన్నాడు. అంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందా లేదా ట్రై చేద్దాం. ఈ కంట్రీస్ అన్ని సిటీస్ ఇలాగ అవ్వచ్చు కదా సిటీస్. అయితే ఏమైపోయింది? ఆల్ కంట్రీస్ ఆర్ సిటీస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ అయింది. వీడేమంటే నాట్ ఏ పాసిబిలిటీ అన్నాడు. కానీ వాడు చెప్పింది ఏమైపోయింది? ఫాల్స్. అండ్ వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? నన్ ఆఫ్ ద గివెన్ కన్క్లూజన్స్. చాయిస్ 4, 42. Then 43. Now in this 43, we need to arrange all these in an English dictionary order. English dictionary order, tell me which comes first here? FOND and FONDA. That means 4 comes at the first place. 4 at the first place, then next one 6. Next to 6 is what? 3. 4, 6, 3. And next thing I will jump on it 2. 4, 6, 3, 2. And 4, 6, 3, 2, between these two only choice 1. 43. Then 44. Then we need to find out the next figure. non-verbal series. Now first, now this element pointing like this one. From here to here it is shifted by 1 position. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి 2 positions. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి 3 positions. Next one 4 positions is nothing but opposite. Opposite, choice 1 is the answer 44. Then 45, now 45 చేశారు and 16, 129. Tell me what is the logic behind this one? And 16 and 129. 128. 128 ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? And 16 into how much? 16 into 8. Now 16 into 8 plus 1. మరి 22 into 8 plus 1 వస్తుందా? 243 రాదు కదా. 22 into 11 plus 1. మరి ఇక్కడ 8 ఎందుకు? 16 by 2 is 8. Hence it is into 8 plus 1. Now 22 divided by 2 is 11. 22 into 11 plus 1. 28 divided by 2, 14. 28 into 14 plus 1. 8 into 4, 32 plus 1, 33. Last digit is 3, choice 3. Then 45 is choice 3. The next one, 46 చెప్తుందా? Now 46. Next number ఎంత రావాలి? 23, 28 difference is how much? 5. Next difference is how much? 12. 5, 12. And here the difference is 26. 5, 12, 26. Next one 66 and 130, 113. More difference ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? Now the difference between these two is 47. And next to 47, what is the difference we have? 75. Now these are the difference. 5 and 12, 7. 12 and 26 difference and 14. 26 and 47, 21. Here మనకి 28. Next one 35. Now 75 plus 35 and the 120. Now 188 plus 120. 12 plus 8, 18 is how much? 2. And the answer is 18 plus 12. 18 plus 12 is 230. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Now 7, 14, 25, 35 and 75 plus 35 should be added and that is 120. And 188 plus 120. ఎంత వస్తుంది? And then 17? 75 plus 135 it is 110. Now 110. And 110 is the difference. 18 plus 1 is how much? 9. And the answer is 298, choice 2. 298, choice 2. Then 47. Now in this 47, then what are the symbols that are to be replaced in that order? My answer చెప్పండి. Then minus, plus and so on. Minus, now this is plus, into, minus and equal to and into. My 37 into 84. 37 into 84 ఇక్కడ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? And here 15 into 4, 60, that is only positive. 330 plus 60, 390. And 390 minus this is around 52. అవునా కదా? Around 340 ఉంటుంది. కానీ 37 into 84 is how much? Okay, it is a bigger number. And for 2000 ఉంటుంది. Choice 1 is ruled out. Then coming to this choice 2. My choice 2 చెప్పండి, what is the answer we have? And 37 plus equal to minus and plus into division. 37 divided by 84 మనకి ఎక్కడైనా వస్తుందా? మనకి division by 84, it is not a perfect number. దీంతో కూడా మనకి డివైడ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. And so choice 2 is ruled out. Then coming to choice 3, 338 divided by 13 plus into minus plus equal to. Then in this 338 divided by 13 ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? Now 13, 26. Now 26 plus 15 into 4, 60 minus 39 plus 37 అంటే minus 2 అంతే కదా? Equals to 84. Now 26 minus 2, 24. 60 plus 8, 24, 84, choice 3, 47. Then coming to this 48, there are some 8 shopping malls. A through H are located in a straight line facing north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then D is second to the left of E. Where is this D? D is seated second to the left of E. H is south to the left of A. And H is south to the left of A. And E is between A and G. Now this E is in between A as well as G. E is in between A and G. And D is south to the left of G. D is south to the left of G. G must be here. అంతే కదా? D is south to the left of G. And E is in between A and G. A must be here. అంతేనా? DA is. Now DA is were here. So H is to the immediate right of F. And H is to the immediate right of F ఇక్కడ. And H is to the immediate right of F. A ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి A ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి, E ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి, G ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి, D ఇక్కడ ఉంది. We have done with this one. and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And C is third to the right of A. C will be at this place, third to the right. Now only one more person is left over is B. Now B must be at this place. Then which shopping mall is located fourth to the left of G? 1, 2, 3, 4, B. Choice 1, question number 48. Done with this? Then 49 chesara. Now in this question number 49. How much answer was in 49? Now 4 and 12. 4 and 12, it is not a 4 and 12, 4 into 3. Can you get perfect multiple on the late? Isn't it? The next one, 4 and 12, nella raskochu 4 into 2, 8 plus 4. Raskochu 12. 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. Next one, then, now 12 nunchi 32. And 12 into 2, 24. 12 into 2, 24 plus 8. Plus 8 nella rastam 2 into 4. Another plus 8 is 2 into 4. And in the same way, 6. And 6 into 2. Into 2 plus 5. And next one 17 into 2, 34. The next one 5. 5 is a perfect multiple. 5 into 4. 20 plus 5. And the next one 5 into. And 5 into how much? 5 into 3, 15. Plus 4, 19. Next one 19 into 3. Plus how much? 19 into 3, 57. Plus 3 into 4. Saripendra into 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 4. Into 3 plus 4 into 3 plus 3 into 4. And so what is the number we have? Choice 3, question number 49. Then coming to 50. Now 50 chesara. 11 plus 14. How much? 25 into 400. 19 plus 22. 41 into 4, 164. Then 14 plus 17. 14 plus 17 enta? 14 plus 17. 31 into 4. 31 into 4, 124 choice. Clear? Now this is about paper number 94 Ssc Chsl. Clear? And next is quant.